everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. This is a really quick video to share with you these 3 projects that are for my Blessed2Craft monthly make and take packet. And this is something really fun. This is our second month doing it, and I want to show you the projects that I have here. This month I'm featuring 3 cards. So when you sign up for the Blessed2Craft monthly make and take packet, you sign up. There's a link below in the YouTube description and over on my Facebook page and on my website, and you sign up. And then you get a packet in the mail and you get to make the projects along with me at the very end of the month. And I do a live video on my Facebook page. But then if you can't make it to the live video, then I will share a link of the video with you. You get a printed PDF in your package and then all of these goodies. So let me show you the cards that we're doing. There's this one right here. And this month I am using the Pleased as Punch designer paper, which is only around until the end of the month. It coordinates with some punches that we have. So you get all of the pieces to create these cards. The only thing you may not have is the exact sentiment if you happen to not have that stamp set, but that's okay. You can, switch out the sentiments for anything, and chances are you probably have this product. So here's this one. So you get the 3 cards, all the pieces to make these cards, envelopes for these cards, and then you're going to get these noble peacock rhinestones, which are so beautiful. You get a brand new packet of them, and they have all these beautiful colors, and they coordinate well with our project. Then you're going to get a 6x6 pack of the designer paper that has all of the fun designs. They're beautiful. I love it. I love all of the pieces that coordinate with the punches, but then I also love the back sides that have these beautiful designs. This one is one of my favorites. So you get a whole 6x6 pack of this, and then you also get a brand new Wink of Stella. So I use the Wink of Stella on our projects, and I'm in need of replenishing my Wink of Stellas this month, so I thought maybe you were too. So that is the product that you will get, and then there will also be a bonus gift that will be a surprise. You get a printed PDF, so when you open up your package, you will have that printed PDF to follow along with that has all of the measurements and photos of your project. And then I will do these cards. We'll put these together live at the very end of the month, the last Friday of the month. So if you would like to join and get your Blessed2Craft make and take packet in the mail, there's a link below. You'll want to sign up to do that. And packages begin shipping out next week. So you'll have everything before the live event. And then, like I said, if you can't make the live event, that's totally fine. I'll send you a link to the video so that you can see those put together. So I can't wait for you to join and make these cards with me. They are so fun to make, and I loved designing these. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will catch you later this week with new projects. If you're brand new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll get notifications of when I upload a video. And I'll be back to share with you more this week, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.